To customize your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate into wallpaper and style, and then you need to click on your lock screen on the left right here. Now we should see all of the options for customization, and starting from the top we have a clock. If you click on the clock, you can change to different font and color, so pick whichever one you like from the list. And on the right you can even change the style for the clock as well. You can show weather information and show data above the clock. Then next thing is widgets. You can click on this window right here underneath the clock to add different widgets to your lock screen as well, so you can, for example, access camera very easily. Then there's shortcuts on the left and right. You can click on both of those plus buttons or shortcuts to switch between them or finally remove them. I forgot to mention first, you can change the wallpaper, so click on wallpapers and select whichever wallpaper you like from your gallery or from the featured wallpapers on this list. Then we have option to suggest. You can click on it, and after that it will suggest a wallpaper for you with different frames and clock styles. So you can, for example, select that one. For me, it looks cool. Then there's the option to add or remove the frames from your wallpaper and apply different effects for that wallpaper as well. When it's all done, click on the done button, and that way you will get your custom lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.